维基百科啦，还介绍 YouTube，还有声音哦，还有声音播放呢。哦，的内容很多哎，你看还有声音播放，要网络顺的时候才有办法。按这么久了，怎么还没有播放啊？刚刚有啊，刚刚有听英文的，奇怪，怎么会不播放呢
YouTube. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. www.wikipedia.org. YouTube is a video sharing website on which users can upload, share, and view videos created by 3 former PayPal employees in February 2005. The company is based in San Bruno, California, and uses Adobe Flash video technology to display a wide variety of user-generated video content, including movie clips, TV clips, and music videos, as well as amateur content such as video vlogging and short original videos. Most of the content on YouTube has been uploaded by individuals, although media corporations including CBS, BBC, Vivo, Hulu, and other organizations offer some of their material via the site as part of the YouTube Partnership Program. Unregistered users may watch videos, and registered viewers may upload unlimited number of videos. Videos that are considered to contain potentially offensive content are available only to registered users 18 and older. In November 2006, YouTube LLC was bought by Google Incorporated for 1.65 billion United States dollars and it now operates as a subsidiary of Google. Company history. YouTube was founded by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Joed Karim, who were all early employees of PayPal. Hurley had studied design at Indiana University of Pennsylvania, while Chen and Karim studied computer science together at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. According to a story that has often been repeated in the media, Hurley and Chen developed the idea for YouTube during the early months of 2005, after they had experienced difficulty sharing videos that had been shot at a dinner party at Chen's apartment in San Francisco. Karim did not attend the party and denied that it occurred, while Hurley commented that the idea that YouTube was founded after a dinner party was probably strengthened by marketing ideas that created the story that was very digestible. YouTube began as a venture-funded technology startup, primarily from a US $11.5 million investment from Sequoia Capital between November 2005 and April 2006. YouTube's early headquarters were situated above a pizzeria and Japanese restaurant in San Mateo, California. The domain name www.youtube.com was activated on February 14, 2005, and the website was developed over a subsequent months. The first YouTube video, entitled Me at the Zoo, and shows founder Karim at the San Diego Zoo. The video was uploaded on April 23, 2005, and can still be viewed on the site. YouTube offered the public a beta test of the site in May 2005, 6 months before the official launch in November 2005. The site grew rapidly, and in July 2006, the company announced that more than 65,000 new videos were being uploaded every day, and the site was receiving 100 million video views per day. According to data published by market research company Comscore, YouTube is the dominant provider of online video in the United States, with a market share of around 43% and more than 14 billion videos viewed in May 2010. YouTube says that 35 hours of new videos are uploaded to the site every minute, and that around 3/4 of the material comes from outside the US. It is estimated that in 2007, YouTube consumed as much bandwidth as the entire internet in 2000. Alexa ranks YouTube as the third most visited website on the internet behind Google and Facebook. The choice of the name www.youtube.com led to problems for a similarly named website www.u, as in you, the letter U, tube.com. The owner of the site, Universal Tube and Rollform Equipment, filed a lawsuit against YouTube in November 2006 after being overloaded on a regular basis by people looking for the actual website YouTube. Universal Tube has since changed the name of the website to www.u, as in the letter U, tubeonline.com. In October 2006, Google Incorporated announced that it had acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion in Google stock, and that the deal was being finalized on November 13, 2006. Google does not provide detailed figures for YouTube's running costs, and YouTube revenues in 2007 were noted as not material in a regulatory filing. In June 2008, a Forbes magazine article projected the 2008 revenue at $200 million United States dollars, noting its progress in advertising sales. In November 2008, YouTube reached an agreement with MGM, Lionsgate Entertainment, and CBS, allowing the companies to post full-length films and television episodes on the site, accompanied by advertisements in a section for U.S. users called Shows. The move was intended to create competition with websites such as Hulu, which features material from NBC, Fox, and Disney. In November 2009, YouTube launched a version of Shows available to UK viewers, offering around 4,000 full-length shows from more than 60 partners. In July 2010, YouTube introduced an online film rental service, which is currently available only to users in the US. In March 2010, YouTube began free streaming of certain content, including 60 cricket matches of the India Premier League. According to YouTube, this was the first worldwide free online broadcast of a major sporting event. On March 31, 2010, the YouTube website launched a new design with the aim of specifying the interface and increasing the time users spend on the site. Google product manager Shiva Rajaraman commented, "We really felt like we needed to step back and remove the clutter." In May 2010, it was reported that YouTube was serving more than 2 billion videos a day, which it was described as nearly double the prime-time audience of all three major U.S. television networks combined. On October 2010, Google published its third quarter financial results of the year, which stated that YouTube was serving 2 billion videos a week, accompanied by advertising. In October 2010, Hurley announced that he would be stepping down as the chief executive officer of YouTube to take an advisory role, and that Selar Kamagar would take over as the head of the company. Features: video technology, playback. Viewing YouTube videos on a personal computer requires the Adobe Flash Player plugin to be installed on the browser. The Adobe Flash Player plugin is one of the most common pieces of software installed on personal computers and accounts for almost 75% of online video material. On January 2010, YouTube launched an experimental version of the site that uses the built-in multimedia capabilities of web browsers supporting the HTML5 standard. This allowed videos to be viewed without requiring Adobe Flash or any other plugin to be installed. The YouTube site has a page that allows supported browsers to opt in to the HTML5 trial. Only browsers that support the HTML5 video using the H.264 or WebM formats can play the videos, and not all videos on the site are available. Uploading. Videos uploaded to YouTube by standard account holders are limited to 15 minutes in duration. While YouTube was launched in 2005, it was possible to upload longer videos, but a 10-minute video limit was introduced in March 2006 after YouTube found that the majority of videos exceeding this length were unauthorized uploads of television shows and films. The 10-minute limit was increased to 15 minutes in July 2010. Partner accounts are permitted to upload longer videos subject to acceptance by YouTube. File size is limited to 2 gigabytes for uploads from YouTube webpage and to 20 gigabytes if Java-based Advanced Uploader is used. In December 2010, YouTube announced that holders of standard accounts would be allowed to upload videos of unlimited length provided that they have a good history of following the site's community guidelines and policy on copyright. YouTube accepts videos uploaded in most container formats, including .avi, .mkv, .mov, .mp4, .divx, .flv, and .ogg and .ogv. These include video formats such as the MPEG-4, MPEG, VOB, and .wmv. It also supports 3GP, allowing videos to be uploaded from mobile phones. Videos with progressive scanning or interlace scanning can be uploaded, but for the best video quality, YouTube prefers interlace videos to be de-interlaced prior to uploading. All the video formats on YouTube use progressive scanning. Quality and codecs. YouTube originally offered videos at only one quality level, displayed at a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels using the Sorensen Spark codec, a variant of H.263 with mono MP3 audio. In June 2007, YouTube added an option to watch videos in 3GP format on mobile phones. In March 2008, a high-quality mode was added, which increased the resolution to 480 by 360 pixels. In November 2008, 720p HD support was added, so the YouTube player was changed from a 4 by 3 aspect ratio to a widescreen 16:9. With this new feature, YouTube began to switch over to H.264 MPEG-4 AVC as its default video compression format. In November 2009, 1080p HD support was added. In July 2010, YouTube announced that it had launched a range of videos in 4K format, which allows a resolution up to 4096 by 3072 pixels. YouTube videos are available in a range of quality levels. The former names of standard quality, SQ, high quality, HQ, and high definition, HD, have been replaced by numerical values representing the vertical resolution of the video. The default video stream is encoded in H.264 MPEG-4 AVC format with stereo AAC audio. In a video posted on July 21, 2009, YouTube software engineer Peter Bradshaw announced that YouTube users can now upload 3D videos. The videos can be viewed in several different ways, including the common analytic cyan red lens method, which uses glasses worn by the viewer to achieve the 3D effect. Content accessibility. One of the key features of YouTube is the ability of users to view its videos on web pages outside of the site. Each YouTube video is accompanied by a piece of HTML, which can be used to embed it on a page outside the YouTube website. The functionality is often used to embed YouTube videos in social networking pages and blogs. Embedding, as well as ranking and commenting, can be disabled by the video owner. YouTube does not usually offer a download link for its videos and intends them to be viewed through its website interface. A small number of videos, such as the weekly addresses by President Barack Obama, can be downloaded as MP4 files. Numerous third-party websites, applications, and browser plugins allow users to download YouTube videos. In February 2009, YouTube announced a test service allowing some partners to offer video downloads for free or for a paid fee through Google Checkout. Platforms. Some smartphones are capable of accessing YouTube videos dependent on the provider and the data plan. YouTube Mobile was launched in June 2007 and uses RTSP streaming for the video. Not all of YouTube's videos are available on the mobile version of the site. Since June 2007, YouTube videos have been available for viewing on a range of Apple products. This requires YouTube's content to be transcoded into Apple's preferred video standard, H.264, a process that took several months. YouTube videos can also be viewed on devices including Apple TV, iPod Touch, and the iPhone. A TiVo service update in July 2007 allowed the system to search and play YouTube videos. In January 2009, YouTube launched YouTube for TV, a version of the website tailored for set-top boxes and other TV-based media devices with web browsers, initially allowing its videos to be viewed on the PlayStation 3 and Wii video game consoles. In June 2009, YouTube XL was introduced, which has a simplified interface designed for viewing on a standard television screen. Localization. On June 19, 2007, Google CEO Eric Schmidt was in Paris to launch the new localization system. The interface of the website is available with localized versions in 31 countries and a worldwide version. The YouTube interface suggests which local version should be chosen on the basis of the IP address of the user. In some cases, the message, "This video is not available in your country," may appear because of copyright restrictions or inappropriate content. The interface of YouTube website is available in 30 different languages, including Catalan, Danish, Finnish, Greek, Hungarian, Norwegian, and Slovene, which do not have local channel versions. Plans for YouTube to create a local version in Turkey have run into problems, since the Turkish authorities asked YouTube to set up an office in Turkey, which would be subject to Turkish law. YouTube says that it has no intention of doing this, and that its videos are not subject to Turkish law. Turkish authorities have expressed concerns that YouTube has been used to post videos insulting to the Mustafa Kemal Atatürk and some material offensive to Muslims. In March 2009, a dispute between YouTube and the British royalty collection agency PRS for Music led to premium music videos being blocked for YouTube users in the United Kingdom. The removal of videos posted by the major record labels occurred after failure to reach an agreement on a licensing deal. The dispute was resolved in September 2009. In April 2009, a similar dispute led to the removal of premium music for videos and users in Germany. April Fools. YouTube has featured an April Fool's prank on the site on April 1st of every year since 2008. 2008. All the links of the videos on the main page were redirected to Rick Ashley's music video, "Never Gonna Give You Up," a prank known as Rickrolling. On 2009, when clicking on a video on the main page, the whole page would turn upside down. YouTube claimed that this was a new layout. 2010. YouTube temporarily released TextP mode, which translated the colors in the videos to random uppercase letters. YouTube claimed in the message that this was done in order to reduce bandwidth cost by only $1 per second. Censorship and filtering. Several countries have blocked access to YouTube, including, as of December 2010, YouTube is blocked in the People's Republic of China. Morocco shut down access to YouTube in 2008. Thailand blocked YouTube between 2006 and 2007 due to offensive videos related to King Bhumibol Adulyadej. Turkey blocked access to YouTube between 2008 and 2010 after controversy over videos deemed insulting to Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. The block was lifted briefly, but reimposed in November 2010. On December 3, 2006, Iran temporarily blocked access to YouTube, along with several other sites, after declaring them as violating social and moral codes of conduct. The YouTube block came after a video was posted online that appeared to show after Iranian soap opera star having sex. The block was later lifted, then reinstated after Iran's 2009 presidential election. On February 23, 2008, Pakistan blocked YouTube because of offensive material towards Islamic faith. including display of Danish cartoons of